What's up, everyone? In this video we are going to take a look at Well Point in the Eastport area of the Villages. We're also going to check out a few of the surrounding areas. You might also see some golf courses in this video, but for the most part we are going to be looking at the Well Point area and specifically the housing area. This area is in the northwest corner of that new Eastport area, which they are building the downtown of Eastport currently. There's been several updates, including the I would call it the rough-in, but basically the framing for the hotel that they have built. Hotel Eastport is actually the name, just on that south side of Central Lake, south of this area. This is essentially your vast look at the Eastport area. There are a few different things that they're doing in this area, which is interesting. I'll get at later in this video. You will see a couple of them. There's a few things in this area that I found pretty interesting, including something I haven't seen in another area thus far. And there's actually a couple things that we will see in this video that I haven't seen before. Now, correct me if I'm wrong when you see them, but yeah, I have not. So here you see some infrastructure. I believe this is to the east of Bexley Trail. I can't remember exactly where I saw this, but I believe it's to the east of Bexley Trail because of the construction that's going on and where the construction is. But this is south of McNeil Drive, and then the Well Point Recreation is just to the west of this. You can see it in the top right of your screen right there. South of McNeil in the western, all the way up by Marsh Bend Trail, they have a whole group of new homes that they have built. We're going to take a look at that area as well. This is north of McNeil Drive right here, just north of the Well Point Rec Center. And you can actually see one of those things right in the middle of your screen right now. That is something I have never seen in the middle of a neighborhood, is this, a parking lot. And I have seen parking lots around the rec centers. If you have a parking lot in your area, please let me know. But this is something I haven't seen in any other area. And so I actually bumped into a guy named Roger while I was out here. And Roger was explaining to me that there's going to be a whole street of dreams in the Well Point area, just like Moultrie Creek, where they have all those homes staged and lined up where you can walk through. And that is what the parking lot is for. So that parking lot is right off Truox Loop or True Trowel Loop or whatever it is. It is east of Corbin Trail, or west of Corbin Trail, excuse me, and west of the golf course area, the Live Oak Pitch and Putt. And that Street of Dreams is right on the Live Oak Pitch and Putt. Now, this is the other thing that I have not seen before, and it's this type of layout for a home. I'm not sure if they have these in any other Villages neighborhood. However, the layout of this home is so different, and I believe these are a different type of villa. So when I pulled in to Well Point, I was kind of shocked by the way that these are built. Not shocked, I guess I would say, but surprised, because most of them have one apex in the Villages, and these have two, and they face east to west. Actually, the house does. And it looks like all of the entrances to these homes are on the western side of the house, except for these ones here in this corner that we're looking at, because they are faced the opposite way. So you can see on the left hand side of this house in the corner, the doors face toward the south, and there's 3, which I would assume the middle one's the door, and then you have windows on each side. And we're going to spin around some of these more built ones so you can kind of see what they look like up close. But the design of these homes really drew my eye, and I was kind of excited to see that. Just something different, I think. So that, what we were looking at, we looked at the foundations, and then the other ones have the walls up. These are starting to get the roofs on, so I spun around some of these so you could take a look at that as well. I did look at the roofs. Some of them kind of looked like the shingles are not as smooth as what you would typically see, so I'm wondering if that's a certain type of shingle they're using or something. I'm not sure. But you can see here different layouts. Now, in the comments, if I'm wrong and you've seen this before, please let me know. But I think this might be a new design that they're doing. I actually went on the website to take a look, and I couldn't find any of these homes on the website. They're not even listed for sale. So there was no sign at the entrance either for what this neighborhood would be called, so I didn't have a chance to see that either. Totally cool design. Let me know what you think about that. If you agree or disagree, vice versa. Whatever you think. I really like them. I think they look fantastic. One of the draws to this area, I believe, is all the golfing that is included into this area south of the turnpike, because you have a golf course, a championship golf course, less than probably a minute from this area specifically. You have the Live Oak Pitch and Putt. You have driving ranges that are going to be open at Eastport. You're going to have another pitch and putt down there. You have the Laurel Oak Executive Golf Course, which isn't far from here. I'm going to have a video this week of all of the golf courses in this area, or the ones that they're under construction now. And that's how you know this area's close to done, is because the rec center and the golf courses are well underway, and you can kind of see the championship golf course up here, and a lot of the green is coming in. They were watering it when I was out here, and that's how you know the neighborhood is going to be finishing up soon, because they like to have those amenities in before they open up the neighborhoods and sell out the houses. Roger was actually telling me 5 months to build a house right now because he's looking. Thank you for watching this quick video on WellPoint. Thanks for sticking with us. If you watched the cruise series, thank you so much. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.